Is your trusty Samsung phone refusing to wake up and show you its familiar screen? Don't panic, because in the next 90 seconds, we're going to troubleshoot why your Samsung phone won't turn on and get it back in action. First, let's address the most common culprit: the battery. Connect your Samsung phone to a reliable charger and power source for at least 15 to 30 minutes. Sometimes, your phone just needs a little extra juice to come back to life, especially if the battery drained completely. While it's charging, look closely at the screen. Do you see any charging indicator, like a battery icon or a charging animation? If you do, let it charge for a bit longer and then try pressing the power button again. If charging doesn't seem to do the trick, it's time for a forced restart. This is like giving your phone's software a quick reboot. For most Samsung phones, press and hold both the power button and the volume down button at the same time. Keep holding them until you see the Samsung logo appear on the screen. This could take anywhere from 15 to 30 seconds. Once the logo shows up, release the buttons, and your phone should start to boot up. If the forced restart didn't work, let's try connecting your phone to a computer using a USB cable. This can provide a more stable power source and sometimes help the phone recognize that it's connected. Once connected, check if your computer recognizes your phone. If it does, it indicates that the phone is receiving power and communicating with the computer, suggesting the issue might be with the display or a deeper software problem. Now, let's examine the charging port. Look for any lint, dust, or visible damage inside the port. Carefully use a can of compressed air or a dry, soft brush to gently clean it out. A dirty or damaged port can prevent proper charging. For older Samsung models with removable batteries, try taking the battery out for about 60 seconds, then reinserting it securely. This can resolve temporary glitches. If your battery isn't removable, this step is skipped. If after all these steps your Samsung phone still refuses to turn on, it might indicate a more serious hardware problem, such as a faulty battery, a damaged internal component, or a motherboard issue. In this case, it's best to consult a professional Samsung repair service or your carrier.